All right, we're going to do number 1 of orthographic to 3D conversions. You are to take these 5 examples that you either have emailed or in a handout, so you've got them in 2 formats. You'll see on the screen that I have the email version. I'm looking at number 1 right here. It appears to have 7 parts. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going across and 1 going up. Okay, that's 6. I don't function in the morning. Anyway, let's look at this in Inventor. We got to make 6 parts. We have what appears to be 3 cubes on the bottom. This is a cylinder because we see that in the top view. This one here is a triangle because we see that in the side view. And this top one, the top one is the only one that has a hole in it. So let me shrink this down and go to Inventor and get this started. When I make these, I like to do them 1 segment at a time. We will do them in a part file, so every time we go to a new segment, we'll have to click on 2D Sketch, and we'll have to click on where we want to start that segment at. To me, in the example, it looks like there's 3 cubes joined together, and then the cylinder's on the left, the triangle's on the right, so I'm going to do the 3 cubes first. A lot like when you did your die, and then it kind of is attaching another cube to each side as you go along. So here comes Inventor. We're about ready to go here. Click on New. Standard IPT Create. And we wait for the computer. Pretty common scenario. Once it is open, things go a little bit faster. We click on the pencil. Top left corner means we're on the front drawing plane. You can see that up here on your view cube. We're going to go rectangle. Always try and start in the center. 1, tab key 1, enter gives us our square. Finish sketch. I like to click on the little house on the view cube. I get isometric view, extrude. My default's 1 inch. Make sure that says 1 inch before you check it. Little house again so we can see that cube better. Now let's look at the right side of our view cube. We're going to put our next cube there, so click on the pencil. Click where you want that cube to protrude from. Rectangle. Simply going to go corner to corner. All there is to it on that. Finish sketch. Little house. Extrude comes out the side there. All right, let's do one on the left side. We'll try and keep this formal. Left, pencil, click on the left side, rectangle, corner to corner, finish sketch, little house, extrude. Make sure it says 1 and check it before you wreck it. Little house, there's our it's 3 inches long now. It looks like 1 segment, but this is actually our 3 cubes. Let's put the cube on the top now. So I've clicked on the top of the view cube, pencil. Click about where I want to put that cube at, rectangle. You notice how I clicked on the top edge. 1 tab 1. There's my cube. It's not centered. We're going to constrain that with dimensions so that we know it's lined up. Edge to edge should be 1 inch offset. Looks good. Finish sketch. Little house. Extrude. Goes up okay. Let's put that hole right there in the middle. So pencil. Click where we want to put the hole. Place a point so that you can use your hole tool. Look for your guidelines so you don't have to constrain with dimensions. Finish sketch. Hole tool. Make sure it's set to distance. Make sure depth is 1 inch. and diameter is 0.25 or 1/4 of an inch. Looks good. Okay, let's do the triangle on the right side. This one is easier to see in the email than it is on the handout. Click on pencil, click where you're going to put the triangle, use the line tool. Start out by going corner to corner, and then enclose that profile. Finish sketch. Little house so you can see what's going on. Extrude that out. All right. Now let's do the cylinder. This gets a little technical. We're going to be drawing it from the front view. We want to click on the portion of the front view that's closest to where the cylinder is going to be. So pencil, we're going to click over here on the left side of the front view. I'm going to go circle. I'm going to look for that middle guideline. Click a point, type in 1, hit enter. That gives us a 1-inch diameter. Constrain with dimensions. We're going to constrain the radius, which is half of the diameter, and half of 1 is 0.5. Finish sketch. Extrude. Click on your cylinder. Goes the wrong way. Go to the window pane, direction 1, switch to direction 2, and enter. There we go. If you want to make it look pretty, you can go up here where it says generic, switch your color to something else. I like gold. You can see that really well. Then you can use your snipping tool so that you can copy that into a presentation. You're supposed to put all 5 of these conversions either in Google Slides or PowerPoint. So there's where we would copy and paste that.